International Day of Sign Languages, 23rd September. According to the World Federation of the Deaf, there are approximately 72 million deaf people worldwide. More than 80% of them live in developing countries. Collectively, they use more than 300 different sign languages. Sign languages are fully fledged natural languages, structurally distinct from the spoken languages. There is also an international sign language which is used by deaf people in international meetings and informally when traveling and socializing. The proposal for the day came from the World Federation of the Deaf, WFD, a federation of 135 national associations of deaf people, representing approximately 7 million deaf people's human rights worldwide. The choice of 23rd September commemorates the date that the WFD was established in 1951. This day marks the birth of an advocacy organization which has one of its main goals, the preservation of sign languages and deaf culture as prerequisites to the realization of the human rights of deaf people.